In this guide, I'll show you how to rebuild the database on your PS5 Pro in safe mode. So the first thing you want to do is turn off your console fully, and once it's fully turned off, press and hold the power button on the front until you get 2 beeps. Now when you get the 2 beeps, this should pop up on your screen, and with your PS5 controller, plug in the USB-C cable to it, then to your console, and then you want to press the PlayStation button on your controller. Now this will bring you into safe mode, and we're going to select option number 6, clear cache and rebuild database, and then you want to select option number 2, and before you press OK, do bear in mind this process should not delete any game save files or games, but if you want to be extra careful, you can always back up that stuff to a USB drive or to cloud storage, and this should fix issues related to system performance, fixing errors, and improving loading times by organizing your files more efficiently, as well as fix any corrupt files. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.